Yes, hello, good evening. I remember yesterday I shared with you guys the rattan bassinet. Of course, it should have its stand. So this is it. This stand is made of mvule. Mvule originally comes from Congo. It is one of the most expensive hardwoods and light as compared to mahogany. So right now we are doing some application of filler. Yeah, so now the basket will recess on this position here. So this is the support. This is where the basket will be fully aligned. And then these are the supports. This is now the bassinet, as you see. The one I shared yesterday, the video. So what we are doing right now, we are applying some filler. The advantage with filler is that it seals the crevices, such that when we do the varnish, we are not able to see some holes or anything. This filler takes around 10 to 15 minutes to dry before we do the varnishing. So first, what Clinton is doing right now is applying the filler. Now the filler has to merge with the wood itself, because if you don't do that, then there'll be an even distribution of color. So what will happen once this frame is completely done, it will have some kind of yellow orange kind of a look. Yeah, so this is the stand. The one we previously made before was mahogany, but the owner decided to choose mvule because there are people who don't like redwood. And I noticed this most of our clients from the Middle East, they prefer this kind of color. Yeah, this is also hardwood, and it's also very, very good for carving. When you want to do wood carving, this is one of the best timbers to use. Now we've already applied. We are still on the application process of the filler. Like I said, the filler must match with the timber. So what we usually do first is once we've grinded the wood, we take the wood fillings, and we mix it with the sanding sealer. So once we mix it with sanding sealer, the purpose of sanding sealer is to have an even grain overlook. That is the purpose of sanding sealer. Yeah, so that is how it looks. And then you can see this is a metal column. This will be the support, but now we are also going to have this painted white. And then you can see it's also supported by 2 screws. Now this is called a flat bar. The purpose of the flat bar is to support the bassinet once it is recessed on that stand. That is the main purpose of this flat bar. Actually, what you are going to do, as soon as it's done, we are going to recess the basket there. We see how it looks, because yesterday I only shared with you how we were varnishing the bassinet, but today I'm going to share with you pictures of when the bassinet is complete. Yeah, so that is where it stops at for the moment. Then next I'm going to share with you how we are going to apply varnish on this. You can have a proper look at the wood. It's completely fine. This is called mvule. One of the best woods and the most expensive from Congo. It's a hardwood, by the way. It's hardwood. Looks like, it seems to have something like a pine kind of color, but it's not. So I'll share the next video of how we are going to apply varnish on this. So guys, we are on the next stage of finishes. This is called grit sanding. Yeah, hand sanding. Yeah. So you can see Clinton with his works and expertise. This is how we do it. Then after sanding, we are going to apply sanding sealer. Yeah, this is now called hand sanding. Angle grinding is never enough. You must do some hand sanding as well. With Clinton, what is that called? P60?
No, this is 100.
Oh, P100.
Yeah, we have already done it.
Oh, P60?
Even 80 we have already done it. So now we are at 100.
Oh, yeah. P100, yeah. Then after the P100, you do the clear varnish or?
No, the sanding sealer, undercoat first.
Oh, undercoat.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Then clear varnish will be the last.
Oh, the last one is slow dry, yeah?
Yeah. No, we just,
But it depends. Oh, today we are not doing so slow dry.
no.
Because the client did not want it too shiny. Ah, okay. Yeah. So I get you now. Yeah.
We're going
So
to use first dry.
you're going to use?
First dry.
Oh, first dry. Oh, okay. Ah, that's okay. Yeah. So this one is the mvule stand. It will be for the bassinet. So I'll show you the next video how it will look like when we start applying the sanding sealer. Yeah. Yes, guys. Now this is the last coat for clear varnish after the sanding sealer.
Now this is clear varnish.
Yeah, this is clear varnish now.
Yes.
After sanding sealer, we applied, I think you saw it. So now this is clear varnish. Look how beautiful the wood looks. Clinton, will we apply two or this one only?
We'll apply two.
Oh, two coats, okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Yes, now welcome guys. That's now the stand. It's completely finished. We managed to apply all the coats. That is now how mvule looks like. Yeah, so this is exactly how it will look like, and where the bassinet will recess. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how the last video. Not. I think this time what you're going to do, go into a community post and see how this thing looked like. Please, guys, when you go to the community post, kindly feel free to comment. I'm going to answer your questions from there. That's the exact place. I'm going to answer your questions. Thank you so much. We meet at the community post. Yeah, so this is Rattan on Bule. Thank you so much, guys. So what we'll do, we'll put the foam mattress, we'll recess it inside, then that is now your complete bed.